Are you feeding the dogs? Could you give some to Scout's bowl? Instead of just giving it all to Bear? More food than Bear eats in a week. Uh-oh. You're doing a great job.
No.
Put some in this bowl over here. Give some to Scout. Good job.
No.
You have a new job.
No.
Look at Mommy. Now you're confusing the dogs. Liam. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.